So, that's a rat hole. But you know they can still slide through that crease right there too. Yeah, they will chew wood, sheetrock, anything. That's a thin piece of wood. So, I got some scrap wood. And I drilled some holes, put some screws in there. So it's ready to load. Put it back here. And I'm going to screw that in. That's right. That is the end of Rats in That Hole. My, oh my.